Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your money market account statements with Charles Schwab, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Charles Schwab homepage. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the top menu. Click on Accounts to see a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Statements. You will be directed to a page where you can view your account statements. Choose the specific money market account for which you wish to back up statements. On the account page, look for a section labeled Documents or Statements. In this section, you can find all available statements listed by date. Select the statement you want to back up by clicking on it. The statement will open as a PDF file in a new tab. Once the PDF is open, find the download icon, usually located at the top right corner. Click the download icon to save the file to your computer. Choose the desired location on your computer for the downloaded file. Click Save to complete the download process. Repeat these steps for any other statements you wish to back up. Once completed, ensure all downloaded files are securely stored. Consider organizing them into a dedicated folder for easy access in the future. You now have a backup of your money market account statements with Charles Schwab. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.